Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you get your Roblox account unterminated. First, understand why your account was terminated by checking the email associated with it. Roblox usually sends a detailed notification explaining the specific violation. This step is crucial for formulating an effective appeal, so take your time to review all the information provided. Knowing the exact reason will guide your next actions. When writing your appeal, be polite, respectful, and factual, even if you disagree with the termination. Clearly state your account username and explain what happened from your perspective. If you believe there was a misunderstanding, calmly present your evidence or reasoning. Avoid emotional language or accusations, as this approach is less likely to be successful. Focus on showing you understand and will comply with the rules. Submit your appeal through the official Roblox support page, ensuring you use the correct contact form for account issues. After submitting, be patient. It might take several days or even over a week to receive a response. Do not submit multiple appeals for the same issue, as this can delay the process further. Keep a record of your submission, including any reference numbers you receive, for future reference. Common reasons for termination include using exploits, sharing inappropriate content, or violating community guidelines regarding scamming. To prevent future terminations, always review and adhere to Roblox's terms of service and community standards. Educate yourself on what is and isn't allowed to ensure your account remains in good standing. Playing safely keeps your experience positive and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.